for short, is one of the services you need to know, at least per the RHCE exam prep requirements. SSH supports remote, encrypted access to your system. In contrast, remote services such as Telnet and the remote shell send passwords over the network in clear text. The secure shell encrypts all passwords and all communication between systems. To install the secure shell service, you need to install the OpenSSH server package along with dependencies. The main configuration file is etc/ssh/sshd config, and let's open that up. sshd config, and let's set this up for basic operation. First, I normally set the protocol 2 directive. The alternative would be to set protocol 2,1, which allows access by both the current SSH protocol 2 and the less secure SSH protocol 1. I also like to configure a permit root login directive to no. It's set to yes by default. In other words, by default, the root user can log into the system, and if he does so remotely, and a cracker captures the beginning of that communication, it's possible for that cracker to decipher your root password. And that's not what you want. So I set this to no. Next, I set X11 forwarding to yes. There are a lot of handy Red Hat GUI tools, especially for system administration, and this allows me remote access to those tools. So let me save these changes and activate the Secure Shell service. And make sure the Secure Shell service is set to start in appropriate run levels. There we go. If you have a firewall on this system, you'll want to open port 22. It's easily done through the security level configuration tool, and you can do it directly in the Allow Coming or Allow Incoming window. This option directly opens port 22. Now that the secure shell is started and firewall access is configured, let's test the secure shell service for a remote system. I can log into the secure shell system using my account name, and if etc hosts or DNS is properly configured, with the host name or fully qualified domain name of the secure shell system. And now I'm logged into the secure shell system. Other variations are possible on this command. SSH-L is equivalent. Obviously, if I don't have the host name, I can substitute the IP address assigned to the secure shell service. Once this is all confirmed, this opens up a couple of other commands. I could use the sftp command as a secure FTP client. Just substitute sftp for FTP when you access a remote FTP system, assuming that FTP server is so enabled. There's also a secure copy option where I can copy from a remote or local origin to a local or remote destination. For example, if I wanted to copy a local 1001.doc document to the remote system, I could specify my login and then the full path to where I want the file copied. The system asks for my password, and the copy is made.